Hello, my name is Lauren Pabst, and this is a video walkthrough of a group project I did with 3 other people at the DevMountain coding bootcamp. This is basically a YouTube clone in React with Redux that we did over a 2-week period. And you can visit it yourself if you want. Just go to this ytclone.laurenpabst.com and you can see that. And this is the landing page it'll take you to. Basically, this just shows you some different videos that you can watch right when you pop up, and it shows you some channels you can subscribe to. One note on that, you have to be logged in to comment on a video or subscribe to a channel. So I'm going to show you how to log in here. This uses the Passport Auth 0 to log me in with my Google account. So now that I'm logged in, I can subscribe here to this Disney Music Vivo, and if we go to subscriptions, we should see that pop up right here on top. And this is something I subscribed to earlier, this other one. And I can show you here again, if now it shows that I can unsubscribe from that channel because I am subscribed. And if I subscribe to this Tiger Productions and go back to the subscriptions, you'll see that one here on the bottom. So it keeps track of which ones you've subscribed to, and from here you can click on any of these videos to go watch it, or on the home page you can click on a video to go watch it, and that'll take you to the video viewing page. One of the cool things here is that this is an iframe from YouTube, and that comes back with some tags based on what you're watching, and we're actually pulling in these videos on the right based on those tags so that it's related to what you're currently viewing. And then it populates the video information here. It'll show you how many likes the video has, how many views it has, that kind of stuff. And this subscribe button here actually works on this page as well. That'll keep track of it. If you go back to the subscriptions page, you can see that one was added. If you want to share this with your friends, you can copy and paste this URL. If you want to start at a specific time, you can, and that'll add it to the URL for you, which is kind of neat. I built all the functionality on this page. I was responsible for building all of these components. So all of the functionality you see here, I worked directly on. And then I also had a hand in programming functionality for search results and the subscriptions as well. One of the complications we ran into is with the API calls. So when the component mounts, it sends off an API call. But if you reload, like click on this video and it reloads the page, but the API call doesn't fire off again because the component's not actually remounting, it's just updating. So then we had to look a little more into the component lifecycle, the React lifecycle hooks, such as component did update. So, and that one fires off pretty frequently unless you give it a specific if-else statement to let it know when to send off a new API call. So that was something I also helped figure out and worked on for the team. Then down here it'll show you the video's description and it shows you the comments. This video doesn't have comments, so I'm going to add one here so you can see that. Rather than pulling from the YouTube API, we decided to keep track of the comments ourselves. So it's based on the video you're watching and the person who commented it, and it'll keep track of that, and it'll just list those comments out. That was kind of fun to learn how to keep track and have the foreign key in the database be related to the user's ID table and the video ID table. Now this search functionality, you can search anything and it'll pull up a list of results. And we have it paginated so you can continue to look through the next pages if you want, or if you're not seeing what you wanted to look for. And from here, of course, you can click on a video and watch that video. One of the other things that I helped work on was figuring out functionality behind a lot of different pages, even the pages that I didn't directly build myself. If people had questions on the functionality, I helped on quite a few of those. Most of the functionality that you see on the front end, I worked on in some way or another, had a hand in. And that's about it. So this is just a quick walkthrough of this website. And then one other thing I want to show you is my LinkedIn profile. If you want to see my portfolio, you can just go to laurenpabst.com and you can see that there. Or if you come here to linkedin.com, and then let me find my profile real quick. Let's see, it's linkedin.com/in for in/Lauren Pabst. And it should pull you up this page right here, and you can check me out.